It's your girl JJ, and I'm back once again with another video. So by the time you already know,
I love you.
it's we are going to be making something out of baking soda, eye drops, glue, and shaving cream. I'm shaking it in the shaving cream. So I have to start this video. This one chicken. So I already put the glue in there for the other video, but I will
Dirty dog.
put part two. So
Don't bite anything off the table.
alright, so now let's see what come out.
Why are you getting mad at me for? You kicked him for lunches. You stink anyway. I don't want to kick you.
It's not coming out.
What have you been eating, dirt?
It's not coming out.
Look at the camera. Say
It's not
hi.
coming out. It's not coming out.
Say hi. Oh, you're shaking on me. It's so disgusting. You have a frosty tail. Why?
It's not coming out, Auntie.
She doesn't like it.
Auntie, it's not coming out. Auntie, it's not coming. It's not coming out.
Okay, hold on. Dallas, come on.
Wait, guys, my sister's gonna get it right. Here. Get him.
Look at this. Look at this.
What again? Grandma,
Dallas being mean.
he won't get off for Auntie. He growling.
He keep growling every time I'm trying.
Oh yeah,
Look at
He
this.
would.
he jumped up there. You put him up there.
No, he wanted to get on my lap, and then every time I want to take him down, he made a. Dallas, you gonna let me?
Bro, he gonna bite you.
No, he's not. Gonna
This
bite
won't
me.
get
You're gonna
out.
off me.
This won't come out.
You're not gonna bite me,
Won't come
okay?
out. You need some more.
Yeah, because that
You're
won't
biting
bite out.
stuff.
Look, it won't come
You're
out.
getting off of me. Don't growl at me
Man,
no
this
more.
stuff in here.
Don't.
Just a new one.
I'm not picking you up no more.
Well, see,
You
this
mean-
the only one he got left.
Oh, he need it.
No, but I mean, that's the only one he got left. And there you go. You
Go,
had to
remember
turn
to
it.
use that one. That one's
You had to
fluffy.
turn it.
Cause that one's done.
That's over.
It used to be good, but now it's like liquidy for some reason.
She said you gotta use our. This is hard to come out. So I'm not gonna use a lot because I don't want mine to turn to liquidy. So yeah, it is hard to come out. I just go crazy. Alright, Auntie, that's enough. That's enough.
You guys are like psycho.
Okay.
Look at all how funny it is.
What the heck? You want me to do it? Yeah, you do it.
Oh, forgot.
Okay, so guys, so my sister's about to do it. Okay, ready? Alright. Stop! Look at how much she put. You saw how much little glue is in it? Shake. What if it ruins it?
It's not going to. I saw people put more than what I have. Hopefully. How about hopefully?
This is a big bat.
Mine's gonna
I think we're gonna need more glue.
I don't think so. It's just gonna be really, really fluffy. Okay, what color? Green?
Yeah, we're doing green.
Okay. I have green food coloring. We haven't. Well, my sister.
You sure this all? Look!
I know it's gonna work still.
I'm looking at yours, man. Well, let's go failure. If it's failure, all we gotta do is emerald. So after
mean,
you
no.
mix it,
I don't care. Neon green. That's neon green. guys.
I'm gonna add some green food color and
No. It's neon color. I like the green. I didn't know it was neon green. It looks like neon green. What does yours look like?
I don't know.
Because you haven't mixed it well.
This is how that's too dark. Oh, it's gonna get all over my hand.
No, it's not. That's not too dark.
Well, how am I gonna get on my hand?
that's only because you haven't even. I mean, it's not even stuck together. Your hands aren't turning.
Look at
green.
this. I'm trying to get everywhere until it's green, like even the things inside.
You guys, since it's so fluffy, we're gonna have to open the other contact list.
I don't even like that smell.
I do.
It's already trying to come together.
I know, right?
I think this will be.
Oh yeah, green glitter. I forgot.
Yeah, so now I'm gonna add neon green glitter.
This is neon green glitter. Okay, that's
Look
it.
at it. Alright, this is the most messiest slime I ever did. I overdid it with the glitter. Look at this. This looks so pretty.
Oh my god.
I don't know why I do that.
Oh my god, don't do that to the food coloring.
Me?
Yeah, what I do? You left it out.
Oh, you did that.
No, didn't it? You used it last.
You didn't give me no top.
Well, you gotta ask for it.
It bit me on my finger. It bit me on my finger. I feel like these are cat mosquitoes.
Looks like a perfect name, Mint. Mint green, Mint. Just like a mosquito on my face. I already put my baking soda in. I should give me a little bit more. Baking soda make it like wet, guys. So you don't want to add too much.
I didn't add a lot. It's not even
Now, contact solution. Where is it? Oh, I'm gonna use the little bit rest of this.
I'm gonna open the box.
Yeah.
So let's open this. Open. I love it. Alright, guess it's done. So now I'm at. Alright, at living. I'm sorry, just go quick.
Oh, it's already forming.
It's forming.
Yeah. Usually it doesn't do that. Don't make me open you. I'm gonna put it all over my hands when I have to need it. Okay, there's literally nothing in there. Literally. I used every drop.
Ow. Open. This has only been 7 minutes. I'm surprised. Hurry up. I'm a horrible singer. Here's my sister.
Who opened it up first?
Me.
Okay.
Let me see them. Oh, I see how to open it. I see how to open
Oh,
it.
I got it. I got it open.
No, because I'm supposed to do it first. Give me.
You say please.
Not in this costume. Is it forming?
Yep. Good.
Not forming.
Maybe that one was about to aspire the first one.
No wonder why I was
You guys, this slime is gonna be called mint green. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mine's not
Yes,
forming.
doll. Yeah. I'm just kidding. It's gonna
Mine's not forming.
Just add, did you add the baking soda? Probably didn't add that.
So this is my slime.
It is. Give it to me. You're just making it that. Give me the contact solution.
I didn't add a lot because I'm like,
As soon as your camera falls, don't be mad at me.
it's forming, it's forming, it's forming.
That's what I told you. You have to. You guys, if you want to make slime, you gotta be patient. Let the slime develop like a baby in a belly. Except the slime will develop faster.
It takes months to make a special slime.
No, it doesn't. Nah.
The best slime in the world? Yes, it is.
No, it doesn't. You don't even know the best slime in the world.
That's how I do. Look it up.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's more. I'm the best slime in the world. 'Cause I don't believe that. Because you haven't seen all the slimes in the world.
What, Dr.
That could just be on social media.
Yeah, the best slime on social media.
That must be the best slime maker on social media. Not the best slime master in the world.
Well, you want to get smacked, girl.
Who you talking to?
You.
I'm not gonna
Give my
talk
eyes
to
out.
you.
please.
They're not eye drops. Jesus.
Contact solution.
Grandma, you got her. Grandma, you got stages talking about some daggone eye drops. I mean, like, come on.
I'm kind of
Be real. It's contact solution. Eye drops, I think, is something else. I don't know.
I thought they were.
Oh, it's about to, no, I don't think so. I don't know. You guys, don't be hating, talking about, oh, she's right, I don't know. 'Cause, literally. It's a lot of, like, hand.
This is a lot. You think all this gonna fit in one container?
Maybe not. Maybe it don't.
Cause now I just actually love fluffy slime.
Okay, now I'm gonna put it like on my hands, in my hands. I can like touch it.
I hate the wind.
I don't hate it. I love it. I don't like strong wind though. But I like it because
Yours ready.
put more contact solution on mine. We can buy some more. It's not more. That's not the right one. It looks like neon green. No, it looks mint green. It's like, take my spoon out. Take my spoon out.
You do it.
I can't do that.
I can't do it either.
I already got all my slime in my hand.
I do too.
No, you don't. I'm looking at your hand. Stop. Okay.
Why do you take yours out so early?
I didn't have to need it because then it would take more contact solution if I didn't need it early. That's what I'm talking about. Put more real quick. More. On my hand. More. Thank you.
I'm about to take my mixer. Alright, no more contact solution.
I'm gonna go to my.
I'm going in.
I'm going
I
to
went
my
in, guys.
editing.
I went in.
I'm going to my it's like a table where I like to
Mine still
knead.
feels
So
good.
I'm about to go knead at this table.
I'm going to my table too, so. Yeah, I'm better than her, so.
Green slime.
It's mint green.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Don't they look like mint?
Mm-hmm.
I got
That's
new.
what I'm saying.
Auntie did a horrible job.
No, I didn't.
Cause mine's not coming together as slime.
Yep. That's what I told you. You should put it all over your hands more. What the heck? I was
No.
gonna say all over contact.
Give me
See,
some.
that's what I said. You need to put it all over your hands.
Tell me
It's
what
more
you-
better. Okay, let me pause this.
I can't even pause my ass because of my hand. I was about to ask you.
It's warm. I'm at pause it. Okay. Guys, look. It is the green mint slime. It's supposed to be mint, but I have
it's not
mixed it
done.
with my sisters, so now it's dark.
But
So
this is
it's supposed to be a dark mint slime.
Just keep kneading it and it'll be better. Oh, it's coming together. So this is the song.
So sorry, my hands are messy
I'm messing
because it's still really
Look at
sticky.
this.
But it's just gonna be a sticky slime. So if you like this video, like,
If you like
comment,
this
and
video,
subscribe.
please
And
like,
see you
comment,
next
comment.
time.
If you
Bye.
like the food, please like, comment down below. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time. Bye.